In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add watermarks to your photos in Lightroom Classic. To begin, come over here to the Edit menu and scroll down here and select Edit Watermarks. And over here, you can change the watermark to say whatever you like. So for example, as you can see over here, the text currently says copyright. You can change it to the name of your brand. For example, I could name this Photo Edit School. And you can come over here to this option bar over here. And you can over here change the alignment from left maybe to center or to right. I'm going to change it back to left. You can change the color over here. You can adjust the opacity and every other thing here. The size, you could increase the size. You could change the anchor point. Maybe you want it at the top left corner, the top right, the center. I'm going to take it back to this left portion over here. You can also rotate it to make it either vertical or landscape by selecting these two arrows over here. But what if you want to add a custom watermark? Maybe you want to select your logo. All you need to do is to come over here and select this choose over here. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select a random logo, probably select this logo over here and hit choose. And you can see that this logo has been imported over here. One of the things you need to do to make it a watermark is to adjust the opacity. So right now the opacity is set at 100. You can make it more soft so that the watermark doesn't get more attention than the photo itself. And that's it guys on how to add watermark to your photos in Lightroom Classic.